The soul has three garments: thought, speech, action. We express our soul in these three ways. The part which is the most away from the soul is the action. A little closer is the mouth, but the brain is attached to the soul. And therefore, if you want to be able to bring soul power, it starts with what's in your brain. Thinking a godly thought. Thinking that it's possible for you to get out of your situation just by connecting to your soul, which is a part of God, which is a part of the creating force of the whole universe. At that moment, you realize that you have what's called nitzotz boreh, which is a spark of the Creator, a spark of the essence. And therefore, you have a creative power to create a good situation. So just do it. Take the time to think and connect to your soul. Connect to God, which is inside of you.